Okay, so I have 3 minutes and I'm going to test this pull request. And also I just wanted to share that we've had 20 supporters so far, and we are at about 57-58% funded of the 3,000 for the security audit. So let's see. I'm going to take this code, and then I'm going to open up Cursor, and I'm going to put that in there. Let's do a git stash, and then we open that, and then I already have the Docker running, I believe. Yep. Okay. So we're gonna do this. Oops. Interesting. I guess it's been a while. Okay. Cool. So let's see. Open homepage, login, give consent. Once uploads, open the homepage again. Okay, so now I'm gonna close that, and I'm gonna do a new window. Log in with Google, and it shouldn't ask me again. Oh, it didn't. Yeah, okay. Yeah, good job, Lucas. And this is a friendly reminder. Go to justajobsapp.com and buy us a coffee, please. We're trying to launch beyond 100 users. Thank you.